Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna continue on with hit my toes. Some more of the Steampunk Ephemera. And I have used embossing folders. And I used the foundry wax on that. So it's kind of messy. Probably could have used embossing powder on it, but I just wanted it for the coloring mainly, because I plan on doing stuff with that. This I used distress crayons on, the metallic ones, and here I just used oxide inks. I used aged mahogany, rusty hinge, salvaged patina down here, and uncharted mariner up there, just for a subtle thing. I'm gonna use turn this into a journal topper, pretty much. So I guess I can start with that one. I've taken and cut the digital down to where it actually fits the top of, or fits the cardstock that I'm using. Wow, I can't speak English today. Hope you guys are doing well today. Okay. And I have this, says Dream. I wanted to put it on here as well, which was taken from one of the digitals that I cut down. Free digitals that came from Pinterest. Okay, do I want... Oh, my mom must be back. Yep. Put that on. She had to run down to the dollar store. Now this will dry clear. Good. course, they could also be barking because it's windy outside too. It was rainy, a little stormy last night, so that would be a really cute journal topper. And I've got this little journaling card. I'm going to put this little tab on, which is made from a die, the little whale tail tab die. And I've got another digital here. My goodness. Do I want to put that right there? Hush, puppies! Hush, puppies. That actually sounds good. It's been a minute since I've had any hush puppies. Don't know that I could chew them without teeth. Okay, and I do want to put them here. Yeah, I think I do. And that will dry clear also. And this is actually designed, once it dries, to go inside here. So. Now we have a tag here. I'll have another tab here. And I'm going to use as its topper. Pikachu! Scooter! Sorry about that. They bark at everything, even if there's nothing. Okay, I've got a little tab here, or not tab, a label. I'm sorry about Boo. He's the deeper bark that you hear. He doesn't know what he's barking at. He can't hear anything or see anything anymore. He's just barking. And this is one of the little digitals that Turtle had sent. I've got a couple numbers here that I'm going to put on. I'm just putting a number 13 on here because that is my favorite number. Okay, and I've got a couple of more of these die cut gears. To use. So we now have an embossed tag, which can be backed later on, but I gotta wait for it to dry first. We have a little journaling card that has been embossed and used the foundry wax with. Also can be backed. And a journal topper that has been embossed and used with distress oxides, which doesn't have to be backed. Then you can add like cheesecloth and stuff like that behind it to embellish it further. So that's what that looks like. Put it up a little closer so you can see. Just a few more random ideas for ephemera and whatnot for Steampunk Journal. I've got one more video to do in this series, and I think then we should be pretty good on different things to use in a steampunk journal. I'm not sure what we're going to do when we come back yet. Might work on the dragonfly journal. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back here again really soon. Bye.